Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today we will be making some vintage Victorian banner altered paper clips. So what I'm using today are some gold paper clips. These are the like 1.5" size clips, and I have some ribbons that I pulled out, some flowers in a dark purple and a cream colored, and then I have these prints here, 2 prints, and these were in my stash. I've had them a long time, so I'm not even sure where they came from. And then I have 2 solids, a cream and a dark purple, and then I have these embellishments that I had from, I was given a gift, but they were from Costco. It was a big pack several years ago, and so there's just a bunch of different like paper tapes here, some felt embellishments, which I probably won't use the felt ones, but I might use the paper tapes. Here's some like embroidered patch embellishments. Here's a sticker sheet, which I don't think was from this kit, was from something else, but then there's some metal embellishments here. I may use 1 or 2 of those. I might use some of these. Here's some buttons that I want to use. And then here's another pack that came in the kit. So I've had these for a long time and I just want to use them. I love the colors. So that's what I want to do with this. So let me get things cleared off and we will get started. All right, so I wanted to show you 3 of the altered paper clips that I've already made with the paper and embellishments that I had pulled out. So what I did was I went on Pinterest and I found some Victorian images and printed those out, and they're printed out at 1.5 inches tall, and then whatever was proportional to the width. And I will put the links down below for these images. There's also a little girl image here too. So I made these 3 so far, and then I wanted to make 3 more because I'm swapping with the Facebook group 6 altered paper clips. So what I did was I took my paper and I cut it 1.5 inches wide by 4.5 inches long, and then I just took it and put it through. I have my inner little hook here of the paper clip on going to the left, and then on the continuous piece I just put my paper through like this, and then just folded it over and met it so they matched up here, and then creased it along the edge there. And then I took my scissors and just cut 2 little tails down at the bottom. Just kind of eyeballed it. Just like that. And then I took my glue and just glued them together. So this is a thinner paper, so I'm going to put some glue on and then rub it around with my finger, just so I don't get the globs showing through when I stick it together. And then just put both sides together so they're lined up. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit because I didn't get it quite straight. Just like that. So I went ahead and did the other 2, and my paper trimmer needs a new blade, so there's some little tiny things on there. I was just cleaning up there. So I have those 3. Now I just want to pull out my pieces and decide what I want to put on them. I have this ribbon that might look good here. So I think I'm going to glue some ribbon down, put her on there, and then I think that would look really cute like that. Down at the bottom like that. I think that looks cute. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of glue This is a thin ribbon. It's almost like a seam binding thickness. So I'm definitely going to smooth out my glue so it doesn't get globby underneath. And then just stick my ribbon down there. Trim the edges here. And then I'll go ahead and glue my image down. And this is just printed on regular copy paper, so I'm going to do the same thing with my glue. Just like that, and then glue down the flower. And then I went into my stash and found some little pearl dots here. So, and I think these are probably from Michael's dollar bin when they used to have the dollar bin. So I'm going to put that right into the center of my flower. Just like that, and I think I'll add a little bit of glitter around the edge. This is with the Studio G glitter glue. That's from Walmart, or Michael's I think carries it as well. This just adds a little sparkle and a little more texture onto the top of your embellishment. Just like that. And I think I may want another flower. Yeah, I'm gonna add another flower onto this. And another little pearl. So just like that, super easy. And it looks really pretty. So my next one, I think I'm going to use this Inspire sticker here, not with the background because that's too big. So I'm just going to pull it off. It's on little pop dots here. then for my last one, I want to use this family sticker here. All right, so there's the last one there. I think these are super pretty and simple to make, pretty quick, and they're great, you know, to send to a crafty friend who is into planning or journaling or whatever it is. Just a fun little swap or gift for your crafty friend. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.